Hey, this is Brent, and I just wanted to give an update. I've got a new camera. I've got a cool backdrop behind me. I'm going to try some green screen type things, show my face a little bit more. I've been losing some weight, so we're going to keep working at that. I'm down 40 pounds since I started weighing myself and taking notice of how big I was. So anyway, I want to keep working on losing weight. So hopefully each video I will get skinnier and skinnier and skinnier until I disappear. And then you'll know I've reached my goal. In the meantime, I'm going to put out more content. I want to show my face a little bit more. With the green screen, I can, change the backdrop, or I can add text, or I can move around the screen, and then I can settle in and give you some good content. So I'd like to hear from you. Please comment and let me know what topics you want me to cover. I will continue to do iOS and Android development. I'm going to focus on native development for iOS and Android. I will also cover some cross-platform tools, especially with game development, with Unity 3D, Phaser.js. Those are two that I really enjoy. I come from a ActionScript Flash Flex background, so Phaser.js really appeals to me. It's a great team that's putting that together. I've always enjoyed Unity 3D. I think it's great for cross-platform game development. If you're looking to do cross-platform app development, I would really focus on native. There's no reason not to do native. You'll always be up to date. It's easier to maintain the code. I've been in mobile app development since 2009, and I've dealt with having to update legacy code, and with Apple and now Google is starting to require changes where you have to maintain your code. Native development is just so much easier. You will save yourself a lot of time and money if you just stick with native. Now, there are times when a cross-platform solution is worth it, and we'll look at that. So I want to hear from you. Please comment and let me know what topics you want covered, and I will continue to put out great videos. Thanks.